I received this basket for free, so I could share with you my opinions on it. And I also have 50% off coupon codes to give you as well for a limited time. So make sure you watch till the end so you can get one of your baskets for 50% off. Now check this out. Today we're going to review this metal basket. I really like it because it has 2 tiers. It does come unassembled, but it's very easy to put together. All you do is hook up these frames right here to the handle. They do provide the screws. You screw them together, and then you insert the basket into it after the frame is put together, and then you add the screws to each side. But it does have a little wood base in the first bottom basket. I think this would be great to store fruit, bread, all kinds of other things in your kitchen. It would be nice for towels, and it would also be nice in a craft room. And I really love it. It measures about 14 inches high and about 9 inches across. It's got a little wood handle on it, very easy to assemble, and it looks great in any decor. I love my basket, and I know you will love yours too.